Hey, Jack, how's it going? Not too bad, the usual. You got any big plans for the weekend? Not really. I figured I'd sit around, take it easy. Nice. Whoa, hey, who's this? What? What is she doing? Be careful with that. Oh, shit. What are you doing, lady? Wait.